Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a table in Notion, including adding rows and columns, step by step. Whether you're organizing projects, tracking tasks, or keeping simple lists, mastering tables in Notion will seriously level up your productivity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create two types of tables, adjust them for your needs, and work with rows and columns like a pro. So let's dive right in. First up, let's create a basic table. In Notion, adding a table is super straightforward. All you need to do is type table right onto your Notion page. When you do this, Notion will suggest a couple of options. But let's stick with the basic table for now so you can get a feel for how things work. Click on that suggestion, and your table instantly appears. Clean, simple, and ready to go. You'll notice at the edge of the table, both on the side and below, there are small plus buttons. These are your shortcuts to add new rows at the bottom or new columns to the right. Just click the plus button below your table to add a new row. Notion will pop in an extra space, letting you enter any information you need. If you want another column, for example, maybe you want to add a deadline column for your tasks or a priority column, click the plus button beside your table, and a new column appears for you to label however you like. It's really that simple, but don't rush through this part. Take a second and think about what information you need to track. This is your chance to set up your table so it actually works for you, saving time down the road. Now, maybe you need more powerful table features, like the ability to sort, filter, or link information. That's where Notion's table view, also called a database, comes in. Let's try this out together. On a new page, type table view or my database. Notion will offer some templates, but for the sake of clarity, start with table view. You'll notice this table looks a bit more advanced. Here, columns are called properties. To add a new column, simply click the plus button at the top right of the table, where it says Add a Property. You can select the property type, like text, date, checkbox, and more. For example, if you're building a content calendar, you might add a Published checkbox property or a Date property for scheduling. Customizing your columns like this makes your table way more powerful and tailored to your actual workflow. Adding rows in a database table is also super easy. Just look for the plus Add Page button at the bottom of your table. Clicking this will pop in a new row, which Notion calls a page, because each row can actually expand into its own mini page for extra notes or details. That's incredibly handy for layered information. Imagine turning a simple list of tasks into a dynamic project tracker, where you can click on each row and add files, comments, to-dos, or even link to other databases. If you're used to spreadsheets, this may feel a bit different, but once you get the hang of it, it opens up a ton of possibilities. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you're building a simple table or a powerful database, the basics are super approachable. Don't worry if your table doesn't look perfect yet. Notion lets you tweak and customize as you go. Take your time experimenting with adding rows and columns, and think about what you actually need to organize. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Notion tables, or if there's another topic you want to see covered. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.